Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the message to refill sticker on your Instagram story. So this is a new sticker on Instagram where you can add Polaroid stickers on your story, so your followers need to message you or shake their phone to be able to see the photo inside the Polaroid sticker. So here, let's just start by launching the Instagram apps, and then you can now just click on the plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. You can upload a photo, or here you can also use a background. For example, here I'm going to just upload a photo. Sorry, I don't know why I cannot find a photo in here. Okay, I'm going to use this as the background, for example. And then to add the message to refill sticker, you can click on the sticker icon at the top of your Instagram story, and then choose this option, frame. So you can click on the frame and then choose the message that you want to reveal or insert into the Polaroid. Here I'm going to select the photo. For example, I'm going to have this photos right here. Now you can just okay, I'm going to just good morning in here. Then I'm going to just add an emoji just like this. You can tap on that, and here you can adjust the position of the sticker. Okay, I'm going to upload it as a close friend because I want to show you as an example. So let's just upload this story in here, and let's see how it will look like, the messenger to reveal stickers. Okay, it's still posting. Okay, so your followers will see the sticker as like this. So when they want to reveal the photo or see the sticker, they need to tap or shake their phone. So let's just tap, and this is the message to reveal sticker. And so that's all for me. That's how you can use this sticker, message to refill sticker, on Instagram story. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.